We have like 5 points under what data quality is all about. First is accuracy. Is it correct? Right. So example would be your customer email. So instead of having Jane at gmail.com, you have Jane at gmail, right? .com. So that thing alone is going to cause every marketing effort to be wasted. Another one is timeliness, right? Is it up to date? This is one of the things that we see a lot in the e-commerce industry, right? A customer moving from one location to another, and then boom, that's their order is still sent to their previous address. That happened to me. Now, what are the places, or where are the places where your data quality sort of breaks, right? Data quality issues come in when through manual entry. Someone is to enter John Smith, you are entering, John with N before the H, or somebody creating a duplicate, of a record, or you are updating an Excel sheet and you mistakenly deleted, a customer's name, right? Now, we also have legacy systems where problems comes in. We have duplicates, right? Like I mentioned for John Doe and all of that. Then another place is in your transformation pipeline. Basically, when you are doing your transformations, right? Sometimes in your joins would create thousands of rows, especially what we call data explosion, right? So if you do joins inappropriately, it sort of blows up your number of rows, and then you start feeling like, oh, I have just 2,000 rows in this data, but then after joining to this table, it suddenly grew to 10,000. What are strategies that you can use to fix data quality within your system? One is observability, just like I mentioned. Another one is also automated testing, right? You use DBT. In DBT, we can do automated testing such that the pipeline will not even, will not be executed successfully if something fails, right? And last but not the least, governance, right? This helps you to define the business rule and responsibility. So this is where you start assigning people to roles. Or you are the one to talk to the source players, right? If there is a problem, you communicate with them. If there is no problem, and then you bring that back. And last but not least, data catalog. So data catalog helps us to improve discoverability and then the trust in the data.